Topic and title equals good thumbnails for the new YouTube creator. Having a strong topic and title is crucial for creating an effective thumbnail. Here are some tips to ensure everything works together for maximum impact. 1. Align topic, title, and thumbnail. Topic. Choose a topic that resonates with your audience or solves a problem. Title. Make it engaging and keyword-rich, providing a clear value proposition. Thumbnail. Visually represent the topic and support the title. 2. Characteristics of a good thumbnail. Bold and clear text. Use 3 to 5 words to reinforce the title's main idea. High-quality image, crisp and visually appealing visuals. Contrast and brightness. Ensure the thumbnail pops even at small sizes. Color scheme. Use a consistent palette that complements your channel's branding. 3. Ideas for thumbnail content. Face expressions. Show excitement, surprise, or emotion that relates to the topic. Icons or graphics. Add icons like arrows, question marks, or emojis sparingly for clarity. Actionable imagery. Show the result or process hinted at in the title. 4. Examples of effective topics, titles, and thumbnails. Topic: Beginner's Guide to Photography. Title: 10 photography tips every beginner must know. Thumbnail: an image of a camera with bold text, 10 tips, and a beginner holding the camera looking amazed. Topic: Traveling on a budget. Title: How to travel the world with $500. Thumbnail: a suitcase with money, a plane in the background, and text, $500 budget trip. Topic: Gaming tips for beginners. Title: Top 5 tricks to win every match in Fortnite. Thumbnail: a character holding a trophy with bold text, 5 tricks. 5. Thumbnails for beginners, tools. Canva, easy-to-use templates for thumbnails. Photoshop, for detailed customization. Photor, free tools with pre-designed layouts. Remove.bg, removes backgrounds for clean images.